Hi, my name is Justin Pate, and welcome to the Avery Dennison Mutoh 2-day hands-on workshop that's focused on commercial wraps. And what I want to give you is an overview of this workshop, and keep in mind that it's 90% hands-on. All the participants get a free roll of material that's valued at over $800, plus tools and a discount to the Wrap Institute. In the morning on day one, we first begin in the classroom, but keep in mind we don't stay in the classroom very long, just long enough to introduce ourselves and get some necessary information that covers everything from design, production, and material information. Then go down into the workshop area where we show all the necessary tools that you need to be super successful with commercial wraps. Then the morning session is really primarily focused on flat installation, particularly walls and floors, where we cover how to get pixel-to-pixel registration so your quality is super high, as well as having low install times. So after lunch on day one, the focus then turns to car wrapping. And of course, you want to start off with good fundamentals. So there's squeeging techniques, heating techniques, but primarily cutting techniques that also includes how to install window perf. Then at the end of day one, we conclude and get a good game plan for day two, which is focused primarily on how to wrap a car from start to finish, which is really exciting because you get to learn everything from wrapping hoods, working around antennas, door handles, wrapping bumpers, trunks, and much more. Now, what's very important to understand about the Avery Dennison Mutoh workshop is that not only do you learn cutting-edge techniques on how to wrap like a professional, you also get great business tips and tricks. We incorporate business logic into all the aspects of wrapping, and keep in mind that all the workshops are hosted at leading wrap shops across the country. That means you get to stay inside a leading successful business for 2 days and really see how they work. And that is extremely important and inspirational. So that concludes this overview of the Avery Dennison Mutoh hands-on 2-day workshop. So if you're a beginner who's never touched vinyl, this workshop's perfect for you. And even if you have experience within commercial wraps, there's definitely something for you in terms of upping your wrap game in terms of speed and efficiency. Hope to see you in one of these workshops in 2024 and beyond.